We just got here, we're inside security, and we're very happy we're not going to Disneyland today because it was already crazy on Saturday, and this line is like at least 5 times longer than it was on Saturday. California Adventure looks like they're just walking right in, so we should be okay. What do you think, guys? Are you excited?
I think the reason why the Disneyland line is so long is because yesterday was May the 4th.
Yeah.
So all the everybody waited out the May the 4th fans and then came.
When I got that fresh cut, new outfit, A-Town fitted, got it bent to the same side. I'm leaning in the coupe, leaning in the coupe with, clicked up with the squad. Under the sea, darling, it's winter, down where it's winter, take it from me. Clicked up with the squad, hey, you seen us? Listen to the music, pay attention to the genius. I took some time off, but I came back. I apologize for the sudden inconvenience. Excuse me, cause I'm feeling myself right now, and I can't calm down, cause I'm back now and taking you back down. Memory lane, baby, before we was famous, before the hiatus, before we had haters, when we was doing shows and nobody would pay us, when we was at the station and they still wouldn't play us, but we stayed on the ground so they can't say that they made us. Okay then, but it's cool that it stay like that, and you may think it's new, but it came like that. Everybody get a chance, let me state my facts. They said I fell off, but I came right back. Yeah, I came right back. Let's retrace my track.
Best or worst part of this ride?
Worst loop-de-loop. Best fun. Okay,
You ready?
Put down. We're there. We're doing
It's okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Before you heard her chasing, that was A-Town stat. My baby said she like it when I sing like that, so I'ma give it to him like I did way back, and it feels so good. Hey, sing it. You know it feels so good, and it feels so good. Yeah, you know it feels so good.
What do we think, George?
About Incredicoaster?
And about this ride? What's going to happen?
Well,
Oh my god.
does that answer your question? Well, Incredicoaster was really fun.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
I like the part where my head hurts.
You take a veil?
Oh my god. Oh.
Yeah!
Alright, yeah, this is really rocking.
This is why you stay fit at all times, folks.
That's right. Oh my god. You like it, Reagan?
Yeah, I like it.
And it feels so good. Hey, now let me hear you singing now. You know it feels so good, and it feels real good. Ooh, I got the juice. You want the answers, I got the proof. You had the music up by the noose. You tried to kill it, well I cut it loose. I've been at it for so long. A lot of people probably feel I'm so wrong. Never had a chance to put my crew on, so I'm thankful that the bond we got is too strong. Get it by the fast track, we passed that. Yeah, you know we had to backtrack to get the cash back. Going up like the NASDAQ, better catch that. This is song of the year, baby, who gon' match that? No one. Focused on my goals now, who gon' stop me? No one. I've been grinding non-stop, so I gotta go on. Bringing back the music every time I put a show on. I do it for the family, so on and so on. But it's cool that it stay like that, and you may think it's new, but it came like that. Everybody get a chance, let me state my facts. They said I fell off, but I came right back. Yeah, I came right back. Let's retrace my tracks. Before you heard her chasing, that was A-Town stat. My baby said she like it when I sang like that, so I'ma give it to him like I did way back. And it feels so good.
Okay, so we're just going back to California Adventure.
Yes,
which is
that's free. and then Monsters Inc. shut down while we had a Lightning Lane earlier. So now we can redeem it anywhere, except for I think Guardians and one other high capacity one.
So that was cool, right? Hey, anybody? What? Go, George.
Anybody that doesn't fist bump, I'm keeping an eye on them.
Yeah, security.
Wait a minute, baby. I'm feeling like myself, let me get it, baby. Turn the speakers up loud, let them hear it, baby. Bring the bass back in, make them feel it, baby. Now hold up, cause this your song too. Feeling good, feeling great, what you gon' do? We don't need no people standing on the wall. Make your way to the floor, put some moving, singing loud like. Hey, hey, sing it. Yeah.
What are we doing, George?
Good.
Hanging out in Sanfransokyo. Nice. Back at night. Lights are coming on.
We're
Good,
going
good.
to try to last night.
Yeah, Connor, what do you think?
Tired.
Oh, you look really tired. We'll see how long we last, right?
Good, feeling great, what you gon' do? We don't need no people standing on the wall.